That is not good. Giant carbon bars, eh? I'm not getting any of those. Hi everyone, Casey here from MCB Carnage. Here's Lockie and Alex is up there waiting to shred some clips, and today we're going to be doing some raw sessions down Grinder. Grinder's like really rooty, fast and a fun trail to session. Yeah, Grinder's a grade 3 to 5, so if you want to try it, it's a good track. Let's go. I have resorted to filming the other two today. Things I have to do for clips. Let's get a little POV though of these roots with the drop coming up. Alright, let's go back to filming. And that's Grinder done. Nice one, boy.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we're done with Grinder, we're gonna session some Pigeon Run. Pigeon Run's right next to Grinder. Grinder's just all along there. Right beside, some jumps, some drops. Let's get it.
Go like over there, you can see my line.
Oh my goodness. So we were just on Pigeon Run and we were doing these gaps here. Alex did this gap and he's landed there, and look what happened to his bars. Snapped on both sides. Carbon bars. The landing isn't that hard either. It's not like I hucked a flat.
They're straight folded, eh?
Yeah. I thought
both sides as well. Alex's stem has just gone into his belly. Into his pookie. That is not good. It's not good at all. Giant carbon bars, eh? I'm not getting any of those. If you wanna like,
I'm better on that.